In this lesson, we will focus on natural language processing using a popular Python package called NLTK. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe what natural language processing, or NLP, means, list a few examples of NLP in everyday life, and explain what NLTK is. Natural language processing, or shortly NLP, is a data science term used to refer to the interaction of computers and natural language humans use. This is not an easy task because human language is ambiguous. As humans, we are good at understanding the context of something said to us and link that to our understanding of the concepts around it. Doing this algorithmically, however, is not trivial. This is what the field of NLP tries to improve and develop algorithms and data techniques that make it possible in an effective and fast fashion. Chances are you have used an NLP application if you used an online summary of news or books, looked for keywords generated for most popular Twitter topics, or used a virtual assistant on your phone. Let's list some of these applications. NLP techniques are applied in speech recognition engines like Siri, Google Now, or Alexa. These engines are designed to learn what and how a human talks over time and constantly improve their accuracy. Similarly, automatic translators like Google Translate or Facebook automatic translation of statuses use NLP using some recent, very effective neural network-based techniques that take not only words and phrases into account, but also the context by looking at the words surrounding the text they are translating. Chatbots that can answer questions via Facebook Messenger are another example of NLP. They use NLP engines to process the questions, often simply categorize them, and match them to existing answers to your question. In this lesson, we will go through a notebook that uses NLTK for natural language processing. NLTK is the most popular Python package for NLP. It is an open source library that provides modules for importing, cleaning, pre-processing text data in human language, and then apply computational linguistics algorithms or machine learning algorithms like sentiment analysis to these datasets. It also provides over 50 datasets to start working with, including the movie database we will be using in our example notebook. Let's get started with our notebook. Please now locate the notebook called Natural Language Processing of Movie Reviews using NLTK in your folder for week 8. Here, we will start with the notebook, and if you go to the first line, code cell, it says import NLTK. That's where we are importing our natural language processing toolkit. As I mentioned in the lecture video, NLTK offers many datasets. We'll use the NLTK download function to download first the movie reviews dataset. So we see that it was copied into my home folder, users.altintas. I can actually go there and find this folder if I wanted to. This is just one dataset. We can also download all the other datasets or pick a few to download interactively by typing NLTK download. Please stop the video and execute this function in a new code cell to interact with the pop-up window it brings up before you watch the next video on what corpus means and how now we can import this corpus for this data from NLTK.